Today we're going to talk about what I call the notorious hum click. And basically this can happen on any single phase compressorized unit, whether it's air conditioning or refrigeration. And basically what happens is, what could happen is potentially you might have a low voltage issue to that unit, which basically increases the current draw to it, and it would trip out on the internal protector. And so one quick way to take a look and see if you do is basically to take your voltmeter and go across your incoming power to see what your incoming power voltage is. And then when you energize the contactor, go across the outlet side and see what that voltage is also. And typical all 208, 230 single phase compressors operating voltage is 198 to 252. And typically if that voltage drops down into the 200 when it tries to start, that's typically could be maybe enough, not enough potential to move that motor. So then that increase of current comes in. So also another thing to look for is the dry voltage before the compressor energizes, and then what the voltage is at the unit when it goes to try. If it's more than a 3% to 5% difference between what I call dead voltage and live, that potentially could be an issue before the unit itself.